Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Truth and your GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Syria, and the rest of the world. For now, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. My Chelsea women don't beat Arsenal women 3-0 for FA Cup final wey dem play yesterday. If you watch that match yesterday, Chelsea women just dominate our team. Though for some few minutes of the game, Arsenal women self dominate, but Chelsea women control the game because for Wembley dem play the game. Well, Arsenal women they try all their best, but their best wasn't enough on the night. So Chelsea don't win the competition. And Arsenal women live to fight another day. The Arsenal coach Jonas Eidevall don't come out and congratulate Chelsea, see them try. Don't congratulate your own team also. Say maybe they just move on, face the league and Champions League when they play. Mikel Arteta don't hit back at Thierry Henry when they talk say why them come out Aubameyang for the match where them play. Say they're not supposed to come out with how many minutes to go, blah 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 blah. They talk plenty with that Manchester United match. So Arteta called the letter note say see him and his team they always reading the best thing what they will do for the team, make the team progress. So they don't check and say that 15 minutes or 10 minutes to go now the best time to bring in fresh legs. So they don't think say Henry they right in a session when they talk say they're not supposed to bring him out, because from Henry point of view, Henry they really say now you make this guy your captain, now you make him your icon, you get a senior man, a symbol and a striker MB. So why you going to come out about 10-15 minutes to go? Why not let them play out the game when they lose 3-2 make him play? But at the same time, from Arteta point of view, Arteta the reason say this guy don't tire. You know if he score from the beginning of the match to 80 minutes, what you want to do again? You don't tire. Make her bring in fresh legs. Whereas for who will be fans, our own point of view, the reason say why you go even start this guy in the first place? He know they good enough. And if you won't even come out, why you going to come out and 10 minutes to go? Why not like that kind of 70 minutes or that kind of 65 minutes? You know. So you see everybody get contrasting point of view. But the person where they suspect that Henry because if you want Arsenal to progress, nobody ask Arteta why he come out Aubameyang 10 minutes to go. Supposed to ask him why he don't come out early enough. So now the controversy with this. So I don't know which part of this controversy will not be. When I support Thierry Henry, I will not deal with Arteta, I will not deal with the fans when they talk say why you even start this guy in the first place, Baba. My Everton Football Club where Arsenal go play today, they under pressure to win as they don't lose 6 of their last 7 games. Everton they fight relegation battle because I don't just understand when they sign Rafa Benitez. I be think say they don't sign one of the best managers in footballing history. You get the guy don't coach Liverpool, will be their rivals before now. Can switch now, go enter Everton. So they hope say everything will come rosy. When the league starts, they were playing very well. They were up the table. All of a sudden they're not going to notice up, they're going to struggle now. So now if you say Arsenal won't play them, they get revolts, as in they complain. They even the reason now say they won't protest for the 27th minutes of the game. They won't stage walkouts. So I never know how the protest go be because today now be their 27th anniversary. They celebrate and so they won't use walkouts celebrate and let the owners know say we know they're happy with the way that they run our club. We want to make the sporting director find square roots and if possible make Rafa Benitez if guys not taking find square roots or we could have given like 5 games ultimatum say if you don't turn things around we need to find your square roots. So now what's in the talk say they want to do for the club and they come the unfortunate say if they come at the time where Arsenal won't come visit them, so there will be much pressure on the Everton to succeed. They're not going to lose again because they won't lose 6 of their last 7. So if they lose against us now, you come like say they lose 7 out of their last 8 to get as a B now. So that's why I don't like this kind of game. Well, what the watch as go be because I don't say today go be today now back to go be. That event will be one of our footballing pundits. Instead not come outside, when they criticize Aubameyang for the way they play. So back on top, say what thing they see for this Aubameyang, we say this guy don't share, this guy don't take game again because when you check this guy, we say he missed clear-cut chances against Newcastle. He missed another clear-cut chances against Watford. Against Manchester United, he can't miss a clear-cut chance for take your team ahead. Say this guy, he don't understand why Arteta dey start him again. They're supposed to keep up for Benjamin, making the get more morale. No mean just stay to watch game, they boost your confidence. No, but say when player know they play, go see they play and they play. And so nobody call for this guy, say make them drop him because he is not playing up to par. He be captain, but you know they deliver like captain. You are a shit packer. No, but they talk plenty. I don't know whether on that day at the side of that event say make them drop this guy. I mean, I follow for those who talk say they still give this guy more time. So let me know. At the same time, Darren Bent come outside, come dey criticize Aubameyang more, come dey compare am with Cristiano Ronaldo. So Baba come dey talk say people dey talk say Aubameyang don old, say he dey 32 years. Wetin go come talk about Cristiano Ronaldo wey dey 36 years? So Ronaldo senior Aubameyang with 4 years, yet Ronaldo dey run more, dey press more, dey wipe more shots, dey nod more, dey do everything more than Aubameyang. Why is that so? Can somebody explain it to me? Or me sef I no really understand. But wetin I go talk be say no two players are equal. Everybody dey different. So that kind of comparison, you get as if you no compare them like that. Even another pundit wey dem dey call Alan Smith don come outside come dey talk about Thomas Partey. Come talk say this Thomas Partey say the guy don lose form. You get so many players wey don lose form for Arsenal. Say no be only Aubameyang. Say this Thomas Partey, the gats put am for Benjamin. Drafting somebody else, make himself test Benjamin, make them know whether the team will give am more ginger. Let am dey play very well because he no understand the way the guy dey play. You know, Baba just dey talk plenty about Partey. Even Partey sef don come outside to come admit say him dey play up to par. Say him no dey play in top form. You get him dey pray to reach top form, make it come help him team propel them to victory. Well, everything that we say, make all our players abeg make dem come back to top form because we need that top 4 or that top 6, and if dem no play well, we no go enter there. For me that setting, they come dey ask Mikel Arteta say wetin dey sup with Emile Smith Rowe injury now. So wetin dey happen? Say whether he go play against Everton. So Baba come talk say well they never really know. So they still dey assess the guy because he get tight groin from the match dem play against Manchester United. So they really say before the match of this Everton, they go give a late fitness test. They go assess am late. You know whether they okay to start. If you no dey okay to start, they no go rush am now because it no make sense now. Carry person you know say no dey 100% fit, come dey put for match. Surprise, Wrexham waiting for Scotland National League don come outside. They say that they interested in signing Wilshere. And they say Wilshere clubs no wan really sign the guy because they fear say the guy get injury problems. And they quickly get injury. Na injury prone player. So are they very surprised? Say Wrexham don come outside, shoot their head for the ring. So they would like to carry the guy. Well, wish the guy all the best of luck because he don dey for Arsenal London Cole. They train with the boys. They get prepared for any team wey go come carry am. And Wrexham don come. So if they don't sign am, I go let una know. At the same time, media settings so because I think I dey clarify say as in dey now, saying they demand more from the senior players because as it dey now, it can't be like saying that the young players and then they take the scruff of things by the neck, they control things, they command things, and the senior players come the day behind them. So it's supposed to be like that. So now the senior players supposed to lead, then the youngsters will follow. So you try to demand more from the senior players, let them know what they expected of them. So hopefully they will deliver from this Everton match moving forward because from Everton match moving forward we have winnable fixtures. You get there are no big teams who are playing, so that just maybe Everton, Southampton, and they are not big teams. So we're supposed to beat everybody, go another long run. At the same time, Michael Owen don come outside, I call they predict the match between Arsenal and Everton. So Baba come talk say in the C1-1 for this match. Say the thing go dey tough because Everton don lose tire, so they no go wan lose again. And you know say Arsenal breaking the resolve of Everton because for that Goodison Park, it always dey hard for Arsenal to win there. So in the C1-1, I don't know wetin una dey see. Me sef make I no lie, I dey see tight encounter. I dey see 1-0 for Arsenal, just tight encounter because the way the match go be, I don't think say Everton go too put body because they don over lose. Well, I don't know, anything can still happen na football. At the same time, Paul Mason sef don come outside dey predict the match. Baba come talk say him dey see 2-1. Na 2-1 him dey see. So I don't know wetin una sef dey see because Owen don say dey see 1-1. Paul Mason dey see 2-1. Me I dey see 1-0. So wetin una dey see? I know whether we get see ya for part of una. So let me know now. Oyamo enter match of the day. Arsenal vs Everton. Everton go host Arsenal for Goodison Park as dem dey hope to get back to winning ways. Oyamo run check their head to head. For the last 5 games for Goodison Park, Arsenal don lose 3, draw 1, and win 1. Even last season we lose 2-1 for here. This place always dey hard for us. Everton dey in crisis, so we dey expect to take advantage of the situation. For Arsenal, we dey expect Kieran Tierney to return to the fold, and maybe Saka sef go return to the starting 11. Who knows? And we go see whether Arteta go stick with Aubameyang. I mean, go listen to the voice of wisdom, drop Baba for bench. We'll see as everything will turn out. So my dear football lovers, na here we come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow I'll come again, come give you a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And you see that bell notification icon within there. Toggle am so that when next we drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you say we don't drop am. Thank you for always supporting us. God bless you and have a nice day.